Anis.
Yes.
Good to meet you, man. Thanks for coming down.
Yeah.
So you're local, Milton Keynes, are you?
Not Milton Keynes, Letchworth, so like 40
so
minutes.
Not too far away.
Yeah.
I know HP tuners because obviously you've got your tune. This is what you guys do, yeah? You're a tuning company. When we went to Vegas a few years ago to SEMA, HP tuners in the States done like an event. I think, was it go-karting?
There was a go-kart night, and if I remember correctly, you were in a drift car as well, weren't you?
I was in a drift.
That
was you guys that put me in that drift car.
I'm the one who asked for you to go out
in that car. My God, that is funny. That was horrible. It was a well-known YouTuber, wasn't it?
I think it was with Chelsea Denofa. It was with the RTR team, but I don't remember who it was.
I can't remember who the YouTuber was.
Yeah.
He was he's a big YouTuber. I don't know, we'll find out. We'll find out footage anyway.
Or it might have been Vaughan, I think, maybe. I
can't remember. I'll remember, well, the penny will drop when I look back at the footage. You've come down today to sell your Golf R, yeah?
Yes.
Mark 7.5.
Yep.
The first thing that I noticed about is, of course, as I just mentioned, all the stickers over the car. So let's talk about you guys for a minute. So HP tuners, who are you? What do you do?
We make hardware and software to tune your car. That's the easiest way to explain it. We do not tune the car. So this car was not tuned by HP tuners, but it's tuned using our software with one of our dealers. We're very well known in the US. We're really big in the US, and we started in Europe in about 2018, which is why we bought this, because we're really good at American cars. You want a Mustang tuned, we'll tune your Mustang.
Really?
But Golfs and stuff, the European market, we're just stepping into it now. So this was our second development car. We had an 845 AMG before, and now we're ready to switch on to something newer, because I think it's 6 years old, 5 years old now.
Yeah. So you bought the car stock?
Yeah.
Where did you buy it from?
VW, I can't remember, but it was a main dealer.
So you bought it from a main dealer, okay. And slowly, so what level of tuning we got? What have you done to it?
I have a list on my phone.
Really?
I don't remember everything, sorry.
I'm going to pop the bonnet as you do that, because I've not looked under the bonnet yet. It's nice that you've done it to a 5-door car as well.
Yeah. Here we go, stage 3. 503, 505 brake horsepower, Miltech exhaust, obviously custom wheels, Nankang tires, body kit by Modify 71, Maxton Design, Bilstein springs, so it's been lowered a bit, a whole bunch of parts from Forge, so you can see like the intake, the diverter valve, catch can. It's also got a Forge big brake kit as well.
I noticed that.
It's had a high pressure fuel pump upgrade, and then a really big stonking turbo by Garrett as well.
Okay, so that's where the power was coming from.
You will feel the kick. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So not meth injected. So the highest you could get before, because my one was a bit more power, but because of the meth. And I don't know what else it had over that, but also had a big turbo. Either way, 500 brake horsepower, stage 3 car. I noticed all the brands down the side, so you've got all the stickers there on the side, just pointing out all the brands it's got, which is
all of our
cool.
partners. They've all helped out on the build basically. So
off the back of doing this as a development car, you've then used it as a promo car at shows and stuff like that, I guess.
We've been to so many different shows. Misha drove this around the Nürburgring as
wicked.
well. We did a road trip with Motor Addicts around Europe, and then Misha drove it, scared the life out of me.
Horrible, horrible.
I enjoyed it, but it was pouring with rain. It was like almost flooding. It was a crazy day for us. You couldn't even put the power down, really.
So what's your role there then?
I'm the marketing manager.
Okay.
So I'm the man who is responsible for taking pretty pictures and putting it on Instagram.
Okay.
And, sorting out the events, doing website stuff, email, all of that.
The tyres are, I don't know if they're track tyres, but they're very track focused tyres.
They're semi-slicks, yeah.
So have you still got all the original parts?
Yeah, we have the stock exhaust, wheels, tyres, springs, everything. We've got it all.
Okay, what wheels did it come with from factory? Do you know? Do you remember?
I think it was like the 5-spoke ones.
Okay. The nice thing is you've done it to, I just mentioned, you've done it to the right car. So it's a base, the base car is a 5-door black 7.5 Golf R, which is nice. 28,000 miles as well, so it's a low mileage car. How much are you hoping to get for the car?
If we could get, I don't know, mid to high 20s, 26, 27, I think would be solid.
Is there anything wrong with it? Anything you need to know about?
No.
No?
No. So this car has been babied beyond belief. Like, it's been serviced with our partners. It barely gets driven because it's a demo car, so we don't just drive it out and about. It's just 2 shows or like 2 photo shoots or whatever. So it's been really well looked after. Okay,
let me just quickly do the mandatory Car Vertical. 1 second. So a big thanks to Car Vertical, as ever, for sponsoring this video. I will link them below. Use my code CCD to get 20% off. You're looking for all green ticks. I check every single car that I buy. There is an amber one on this car. We'll talk about that shortly. So starting from the bottom, working our way up. Theft, never been stolen before, green tick. No finance outstanding. No issues on the mileage, which is obviously important. The most recent recorded mileage there is 24,841. And then at the top there, we've got damage. It's got a flag on the damage. So if we click that, it's not a categorised car. These guys have bought the car from, so in fact, if I look at when they bought it, you guys bought it in January 2021 by the looks of things. There's one previous owner, so you bought it from VW main dealer. So literally a few months before that, it had a silly little repair, £0 to £500. I want to highlight this in as many videos as possible because people are literally, I'm getting DMs at the minute, like, I've just done a car vertical check, there's damage on the car. Don't be concerned. This is a little minor bit of paint. It's probably done at the dealership before they sold it to these guys, and main dealers, big insurance companies like we use Pennings as an example locally, they use a system that Car Vertical get data from, and it might have had a little scuff on the bumper, it might have had a bloody curved wheel, something silly. As little as £0 of damage, as much as 500 quid's worth of damage, all right? So nothing to be concerned about there at all, but it is worth pointing it out, and it does give you a little bit of ammo. Sometimes it will show you where on the car that it's been damaged. On this car, it doesn't show you. It's nothing to be alarmed about, but again, really important that we point it out, okay? So everything else is nice and clear. Not concerned at all. It's not categorised as I mentioned, so that is all good. I will show you an example of a car that probably is categorised, and that car on the Car Vertical check would have showed it's category N or category S, and that's obviously what you do not want to see. That will affect the value of the car, and when you're buying that car, you'll be made aware of it thanks to Car Vertical. And make sure when you do a Car Vertical check, use my code CCD. Sorted. So, and then valuations. Obviously, there's no valuation system that will value a car that's been modified, right? You generally have to go on the used market and see what's about and, you know, work it out for yourself. It is nice that, let's talk about the stock values of this car. The cap clean trade value is £21,000. The trade value according to Auto Trader is just above 21 grand, 21 and a half, right? The retail value of the stock car is in the region of £26,000, okay? That's obviously what you're asking for the car, but the amount of mods that you've put on this car, I don't know what it is in money value, but I would say it's probably at least £10,000.
I think so, yeah. I think 10-ish is probably right.
Probably about right.
Yeah.
And they're all really nice mods, and they are mods that a lot of Golf R owners will want to do to their car. So it is nice. What's also nice about it is it's coming from the source that's modified it. You ain't bought the car and took it to one garage and another garage.
It's not had 7 owners.
Exactly that. And we see that a lot with Golf Rs and this type of car. You are the guys that bought this car from VW main dealer. You've done all the work yourself. You've used it as a development car, which is a plus in my eyes, because you've worked it all out. You've got it all right. You've put all these parts on. You've had it a good few years. You've done a lot of miles in the car as well, and you know it's a nice car today because of it. So I like that about it. But money wise, we'll work that out after we've gone for a drive in it. Yeah,
sounds good.
Are we all right to go for a drive? You all right if I drive?
Yeah,
yeah,
go for it.
Cool, let's do it. So I'm going to assume it's all the history, as you mentioned, is all with you.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of insurance stuff in there as well, but yeah, all the history.
So you guys done all the maintenance stuff?
Yeah.
What's that copy there? It's got a clear top.
That is the new Costa Ube hot chocolate.
Oh, right.
And it is actually very nice.
Looks good. Probably cold now though.
It's cold.
Well, it sounds good.
Yes. It does get loud.
I bet it does.
It does get very loud. So you're just in normal drive, obviously. You know these have a sport mode.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's in race now, and then if you toggle it down to sport. There we go. Yeah. So now you can hear the valves have opened up a bit.
Yeah. I love a Golf R.
Do you know what? I think, obviously we need a new car, but I'm just so reluctant because it's such a complete package. Especially the Mark 7s, I just feel like you get everything, you know?
You do. You do, they are so good.
Practicality, speed. Yeah, it's like easy to drive. I think anyone can jump into one of these and just drive pretty quick.
Yeah, and it's also good that, you know, they're 300 horsepower from factory.
Yeah.
This is not far from double. Like, with MEF, you can go even one step further. You can get them to close to double the factory power. It's crazy, really, isn't it?
So your meth injected one, was it like, did you daily it, or like, was it?
Yeah, no, daily drove. Yeah, okay. Daily drove. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean the meth. When you put your foot down, it would use a lot of meth. Like it was ridiculous, really. But yeah, I daily drove it, and you know what's daily? Even like now, you're just chilling. You're driving a normal Golf R.
Yeah.
Like you wouldn't. I know it's noisy in here, but you wouldn't know any different until you put your foot down.
Yeah, exactly.
So, like you say, they are a good full package
just
car.
Rounder,
yeah. So how long you been at HP Tuners for then?
I've been here since end of 2021, so about 4-ish years. So I think I came along just after we bought this.
I was going to say, yeah.
Yeah.
What car do you drive yourself then?
I've just got a little 420D 66 plate, so the nice shape, I think. And I love it. Like, don't get me wrong, this car's fun, but every time I get out of this and I just sink into my comfortable seat,
it's nice.
You know? Yeah. Like, this car doing a road trip to the Nürburgring, like, it kind of talks your ear off after a while.
I can imagine. You can feel it straight away. They're just so fun, aren't they?
Yeah.
It must have been brilliant around the Nürburgring.
It's just a shame. It was like literally torrenting water. Like, it was unbelievably wet. So we couldn't really make use of the power. We were sliding everywhere.
Okay. And did you have these tyres on as well?
No, we had the stock ones on, and it was still sliding everywhere. So,
blimey.
Yeah. We took these tyres. We were hoping for like an actually
dry day. Yeah.
dry day, but it didn't work out. It was so fun though.
Yeah. Oh, it is fun. I love the Nürburgring. I only ever went once in a transit van, but it was brilliant. That's where I met the Motor Addicts boys, actually.
Oh, you met them there?
Yeah, I met them there. We went on a trip together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we sponsor them. So we've been working with them for the last, I think, 3, maybe even 4 years. I think.
Probably. Yeah.
We're one of their main channel sponsors. So that's how we found out about you. Stu put us in touch.
Okay. So, yeah, of course. Stu messaged me the other day about you guys.
Yeah.
Obviously, for me, with my Golf R, I got it done at VRS in Northampton.
Yeah.
Obviously, I use VRS a lot, and we just chatted about a chat off camera. It might be cool for you guys to get in touch with each other.
I think so, because what's his name? Is it Will?
Will, yeah.
I've watched a few of your videos. Okay. Shall I wait till you're done?
Yeah, sorry. I like that little corner.
Do you know what? The roads around here are sick.
They are so good. They are so good.
Yeah. But yeah, I've watched a few of your videos, and he just seems so knowledgeable.
He's good.
And we're definitely looking to, obviously, as we expand into Europe, we want to be involved in the Euro car scene a lot. Yeah. And he just seems like he's a good person.
Yeah, he's very well known. He's very good at what he does. He loves it. He loves the VAG group stuff.
Yeah.
He's very knowledgeable. Yeah, he does a bloody good job. He's a perfectionist.
And he does tuning as well, does he?
Yeah, he does tuning. Yeah, so we've got a dyno there and everything as well.
Nice.
So
yeah.
Who does your software then?
As in who tuned the car?
Yeah.
So this was with one of our authorised dealers, Motorsport and Performance. They're based in Leeds.
So it's a custom map.
Yeah. So that's the thing about our software. There's a lot of tools on the market where you can plug it in. You get a stage 1, just a canned tune basically. Yeah. Ours is fully custom, so we can get a bit more horsepower. We can make it drive exactly the way we want it to. And I think the Euro scene as a whole, custom tuning is a little bit newer. There's a lot more of like the can tune kind of stuff going on. Yeah. So we're also in the process of like educating our audience really, this exists. Because in America, everyone's a hobbyist. Everyone plays with their own cars. Everyone has multiple cars and like so much driveway space and stuff that they can afford to like leave a car stranded, if something goes wrong and whatever. Yeah. Whereas here, my Beamer is my only car and that's it. And if something goes wrong, I can't go to work. Yeah. So I'm a lot more reluctant to play around with it. But I think there's a lot of like education there for the Euro audience.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah,
it's not so scary. You can even do small changes.
I think the only negative with this car is, I say negative for me as a car dealer, is the wrap.
Yeah,
it's just, I personally, when you sent me the pictures, I thought that car looks so cool. It just looks wicked, but it's very well. Obviously, first things first, the HP tuners decals, they'd have to come off to sell the car.
Absolutely.
The rest of it could stay on.
Yeah.
But I feel like if I was putting this car to market today, I'd just put it back to stock on the body.
Yeah.
It looks more appealing as a black Golf R, I think, to the open market. And in fact, it's triggered me. we was having a chat about this morning about wrapped cars in general. We've got a wrapped Land Rover Defender up for sale at the minute. It's red. It's a black car, been wrapped red. We AI'd an image of it, so we've advertised it as a red car. It looks cool through some people's eyes. I don't personally like it really, but we've advertised it with the red wrap on it. I said to everyone, I think we should take it off. We've put it on the market. The Auto Trader stats say it's not performing very well. So we've done an AI image of the same car in black, as if we pulled the wrap off. And the traffic for that car, the performance of that advert, has gone up massively overnight. Yeah. So it just shows that being broad and generic, I know it's boring, but it does help sales.
To have a wider net of people who might be interested.
Exactly,
So I understand. I think we'll need to have a chat with the boss and see what he thinks. But also, I think if we do end up taking the wrap off, there's a sort of sleeper element as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Which is, I like sleepers a lot.
Yeah, yeah, without a doubt. That's a very good looking car.
Yeah.
I think money-wise, and I know we've had a brief chat off camera, I could make you an offer to buy this car. I feel like the best thing to do is we'll sell it for you. We obviously charge a fee to sell it for you. And I think the value of this car today, the retail value of it is £30,000. And we can sell it for you, we can charge you a fee and try to get you back what you're hoping to get for it. Yeah. I feel like I know we're the right people to sell it. I think someone might watch this video and be like, oh, that is perfect, it's exactly what I want. It's quite I wouldn't even say a niche car. It's the Dream Golf R. It is literally the Dream Golf R.
Yeah.
And there will be someone likely on the channel watching this video right now that will think, you know what, that is the exact car I'm looking for, or I'm about to go and buy a stock one and I want to get all them bits done. I want a Milltec exhaust, I want that intake, I want them, you know, the brakes, the suspension, I want all of that. I don't really want to pay for it. It makes far better financial sense for someone just to go and buy one for £30,000 that's already done. It's good value then for that buyer. So I would recommend, before we put it to market, you guys get the wrap taken off. We can sort it out, whatever you want us to. We can do it, you do it, whatever. Then we'll photograph the car, get it advertised with a nice listing with all of them details that you've got, and I think this car will sell.
Yeah. And just out of curiosity, if we go down that route, would the car have to stay with you guys, or?
Preferably, yeah.
Okay, right.
Only because, although we will highlight in the ad appointment only, the car's not on site. Some people just don't see that. They turn up, where's the car? It's not here. It's in, did you say Stevenage you guys are?
Letchworth, yeah.
And it's like, well, we'll get it down tomorrow. But people are disappointed. So it's so much better to have the car on site. Okay. We can work around it not being on site, but by preference, definitely we'd rather. It's such a it's such a nice memory for me. That power, that noise, and everything. Because mine had a Milltec as well. Yeah. So that whole combination, it feels so like stamped in my mind.
Yeah, yeah.
I love it. I love it. They're just so drivable. It's so fun. So yeah, cool. That's a deal done, kind of.
Yeah, sweet.
Thank you very much. We'll head back. I'll let you we'll work out what we're doing about this wrap, and then decide to get it up for sale, whatever. So after filming, Annie's left the car with us, and we've got it straight in to get the wrap removed. And I think you'll probably agree, although the wrap did look pretty cool, I think on the open market it's going to be far more appealing in the original body colour. A black 5-door car just looks right. So it is now prepped, PDI'd and up for sale on the Binker website, which of course is linked below. And I've also linked Car Vertical below. Don't forget, when you do a Car Vertical check, to use my code CCD to get 20% off.